All right, here we are. My name is Pierce Brunson, and I created Being of Value. And the biggest thing about Being of Value and what it's designed to do is it's just designed to be an open forum for high school students to learn more about themselves and not be so concerned with these odd achievements like test scores, but really start to focus on building their particular skill so that they can be successful in the future. And when we talk success, it's the success that you want, not that everybody else wants for you. And that sometimes can be hard to find and hard to locate, in our world. And the reason I created it was because I went through that as a high school student. Had the test scores, had the grades to go to college. There was a lot of options for me, but the reality was I just didn't know what I wanted to do. And I didn't have a person or a group or even a piece of paper that could help me find out what I really wanted to do. And so what happens with that is we have to use our experiences in our life to find what we want to do. Just turned 41 today, yay for me. But during my years as a high school teacher, I discovered that there were a lot of kids who were sitting there like me that had the grades, that had the thoughts, they really wanted to do something effective, but they just didn't know what they wanted to do. And when they looked at their options for college, you know, they couldn't pick from the list of majors. And a lot of those majors do equate to getting a particular job. But what happens when you evolve as a person and you evolve out of that job? What do you do then? And that's what we should be doing, is growing and almost evolving out of jobs where we start out in and move forward. And that's what I did as a high school teacher. I no longer teach as an in classroom teacher. I do books and videos to help high school students, but I also run a company called Firefly Event Photography that focuses on really helping high school kids get great images without charging all these crazy prices. And you can look that up later. So I'm just not a seminar, quote unquote, expert doing these things. I'm a person who actually went through it and now knows the importance of certain skills that are going to be necessary for you to be successful. And those skills aren't necessarily attributed to grades or test scores or anything like that. I think you can find enough of that information out there as it relates to SAT scores, ACT scores, all those things. My focus is, what about the other kids who do have those things, but there's something they feel that's missing. And Being of Value helps you recognize not only what's missing and what you need to sharpen, but also helps you know what's there and what's a part of you as a person. So Being of Value, I look at it as a noun, you, and also look at it as a verb, the action. And so, everybody is going to be somebody one day. You just have to decide, who do you want to be and how we're going to get there. So our new book, the first book is Learning Curve, and we'll give you some information on that as it gets published and as we get it out there on Amazon, and hopefully we'll connect with you. So this is what Being of Value is about. It's our first little rough video, thanks to the rain today, but we want to get something out and let everybody know that we're on our way, and we'll continue to create great content for you guys, and just give us any response that you have, and let us know how we're doing and how we can improve. Thanks.